This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Listen, it's time to make money online. What you're looking at right now is $50,000 I just made, right? In 2021. Listen, this is probably the easiest, most simplest way to make money with no experience, no money at all. And you can do this right now while watching this video here. Now listen, let me explain something to you. A lot of you follow me on Instagram. I appreciate you guys sub to my channel. You smash the like button. Well, because you enjoy the content, right? But listen, this Rolls Royce that I bought, right, for $450,000, I don't buy a Rolls Royce with working income. Does that make sense? I use passive income from sites like this. And I didn't spend one dime. I worked less than 30 minutes a day, and I brought in $50,000 this month using this method here that I'm going to give to you for free. First site that you need to go to is Upwork.com. Now, Upwork.com is basically a freelance site where you can post a job, find talent, find work, whatever. But listen, I'm going to show you something here. You don't have to, watch this, you don't have to do any work. Because I understand something about you. Smash the like button. You don't honestly want to work harder. You want to work smarter. Smash the like button if you believe in that concept. So open up Upwork.com, step 1. Step 2, open up Guru.com. All right, that's the only two sites, Upwork.com. Are you listening, big head? And Guru.com. I'm trying to show you how to get out of the ghetto or out of the 9-to-5 job and understand that the internet world is the new way to make a bunch of money online right now. Make money online. Smash the like button. Let's go. All right, look, check it out. So I can't believe I'm showing this. So what you want to do is find talent, okay? You want to find people. So what I'm going to show you is one of the things or one of the jobs that I did very well in. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a niche that you will 100% in the next 48 hours make money using it because it's hot. So you type in proofread. Now, as you can see here, you see a ton of people that want you to proofread their articles, books, whatever. And like I said before, listen, you don't have to do the work. You're not going to do the work. You're not going to proofread nothing. You're going to lay down in your bed and relax, cross your legs, take off your clothes, and drink a Mai Tai while other people do the work for you. I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is $300. Now, I suggest to find something that people, they pay a lot, right? So scroll down here. That's $500. That's more money, right? Because we want to make the most money as possible because we want to be like Wesley Virgin. Let me explain something that people do online. Usually when people search for jobs, they always search for the jobs that are less, that pay less salaries, right? But only a few people search for jobs that pay $100K per year. So I want you to apply for something like this, $1,000, right? Because no one's doing it because everybody believes that they can't do it, but you can. And listen, this is $1,000. They're a new author writing their first book. It's fiction. And basically this person just wants somebody to proofread it. Look at that. 2 months, self-published on Amazon, okay? That's all they want, that person wants you to do. So what you do is you click on it, okay? Get the specifications here, what this person wants, then you go here. Now this is where the magic, this is where you're gonna comment below. I love you, Wesley. Let me smash that like button right now because, man, you're incredible here. Look, go to Guru.com, type in proofread, okay? Right? I mean, I do this all the time. I killed this. Look, so you find somebody that's going to do this job for you. Why would you do the work? It's kind of like the middleman, right? It happens all day with internet marketers. You think they're doing the work for you? No, they just hire somebody else from another website cheaper. So I hire a girl like this for $5 an hour to do the work. Now, the question may be, well, Wesley, how do I get hired? Like this, watch this. And you got to pay close attention to this. Many people, they never make money because they miss this part. It's very important, okay? So pay close attention. And by the way, smash the like button if you're still with me. Just want to make sure you're there. Are you there? Okay, look. What you want to do is everything that this person wants, you want to reach out to 10 to 20 freelancers that do exactly what their expectations are. And say, hey, can you do this? Can you do this? So it's just copy and paste. You copy this, right? Copy that stuff here. And then you go and get a quote and say, I'm looking for this. I'm looking for this. All these people, find the cheaper people. Why? Because you want your profit margin to be insane. Okay. Now you're getting excited right now. I'm pretty sure you are. I see that big old grin on your face. Okay. But don't forget to show me some love and smash the like button. And I'll continue to show you stuff like this for free. So the thing is, all you do is reach out to all these people, get quotes. And then whatever they say to you, you basically go back here. You have a profile and you want to model your profile to the best person who has the best profile in this field. So how do you do that, Wes? Simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get someone that has earnings over, let's say $100,000. Okay. This person here. Okay. $100,000 here. So these people have made over $100,000 with their stuff here. Okay. See that right here? So what you can do is you click one, and when you get ready to create your profile, right, on this site right here, because you're going to apply for this job, because you're basically going to do the work for them, but you're going to get somebody else to do it for you. You're going to model her profile, right? So all you do, you find a profile that has earned a bunch of money. You can go back to filters here, find somebody that all-time earn was $250,000. That means somebody likes them. Look at that. That's professional here. It's this young person from India right here. And all you need to do is just model everything that they have. The words, the verbiage, even the pictures. 10 years, you can put 20 years, 5 years. It doesn't matter here, right? You just want to model what they're doing here, right? You can put your face here or whatever. Then when you apply, right, you basically use the same response that these people here are going to send you based off the proofreading job. Do you love me yet? And listen, these people, these type of jobs are dime. They're everywhere. Look at this, $300. $300. I mean, just imagine if you had just applied to all of these and do exactly what I showed you. Just in the proofreading space, you can bring $300 to $1,000 a day. Now, listen, how many of you can do this? Smash the like button. All you do is you just basically, you're the middleman, right? You're just getting quotes from all these people and you're sending the message to this person here, talking with them only via email, via Skype, whatever. But Skype is not allowed, so that's a good thing. So they'll never know who you are. And basically when they hire you, you just hire a person that'll do it for like $5 or $8 or $12 or $8 an hour. Does that make sense? So that means if you end up spending $200, right, to do this, then you're gonna make $700 to $800 profit here. Now, as promised here, because I love you so much, let me give you the niche that I know right now. In 24 hours, you can make a ton of money. Just don't share this. All I ask you to do is hit the like button. Type in graphic design. This is hot like right now. Yes, I'm serious. It is so hot right now. Type in graphic designing, and what you want to do is this. You want to wait. Boom, it's going to pop up. You see all these jobs right here? They are so hot. These jobs are hot. So what you want to do is you want to basically, like I said before, go back here and find your graphic designer who's going to do the work for you. And the great thing about this, you can get somebody super cheap, right? Let me show you how to do that. Graphic designer here, okay? And I'm going to find somebody just cheap here, above $25,000 here. Okay, great. Look at that, $5 an hour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a graphic designing job on this site on Upwork, right, for $1,000 or $2,000. Then I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm just going to request a quote, and I'm going to send over the same descriptions from this website. I'm going to reach out to these people, and then I'm going to send it back to this person using the profile that I modeled from the Guru site. Listen, do you love me or what? Listen, how many of you would like to get a Rolls Royce or get some type of dream car fast? Listen, I do a workshop. It's the easiest thing you've ever done on the planet. If you want me to help you make $10,000 in 45 days, if you're willing to partner with me and work with me for 45 days out of your life, you could be 30, 40, 50, 60, a teenager, in the link in the description, click it. It is online help. I will help you get there. It is too easy to do this. And you'll have a Rolls Royce, a Lamborghini, or travel the world, whatever you want, right? I got a ton of cars. But remember something, you can do it. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Watch the next video. Much love. Let's go. Watch it again, folks. Now.